Hello, welcome. Let's have a look at this question one of the objective test question of Liberia General Mathematics 2025. The gradient of a line through the point M, which is having an algebraic expression of 2x plus 1 and x minus 3 and n 1, 3 is negative 2.5. We have to find the coordinate of what? M. Remember, if I'm dealing with gradient, it is the change in the y-axis, so y2, y1 divided by the change on the what? X-axis. Here we can indicate that this is the first point. So I have my, let me use the other marker. I have my x1 here. This is going to be y1. This will be x2, y2. If we pick it like that, we can say that the gradient as given here, negative 2.5, which is more or less a negative 5 over 2 equals to the y2 in this case will be 3. Let's just move it to the other side. So we are going to have the gradient is given as negative 2 on 5, which is the same as negative 2 over 5. This is 2.5, right? Equals to the y2 value here will be 3 minus y1 value we have here, it will be x minus 3 divided by x2, which is 1, minus x1, which is going to be 2x plus what? 1. You can see that I put the second point in a bracket because of the negative, because the negative will affect both the x and the negative 3. So let's go ahead and have our negative 5 on 2 being equals to 3, opening the bracket, minus x, negative times negative, positive 3, divided by 1, opening the bracket, minus 2x, negative times this, negative 1. So we can see from the denominator 1 minus 1, that will be eliminated. So I'll be left with negative 5 on 2, 3 plus 3 will be 6, minus x, then minus what? 2x. I believe at this point we can cross multiply. I think in a simple way we can still go back to the 2.5, so that will be a lot easier. Okay, let's go. So if you cross multiply, this is negative 2x times negative 5. That will give you a positive 10x equals to 2 times this will be 12. 2 times this will be what? 2x. Let's bring in this to this side to make it 10x plus 12x, 2x equals what? 12. Fast forward, we should be having 12x equals to 12. That means x equals what? 1. So the value of x here is 1. Remember, you're looking for, therefore, the coordinate of m is, the first part is the x value. So this is going to be 1 times 2. That will be 2. Plus this, that will be 3. Then here, I'm going to have 1 in place of this. That will give you what? A minus 2. So the value we are looking for is supposed to be positive 3 and negative what? 2. That will be the C. I guess this is also clear. Like, and come back to question number 2.